Okay, welcome to part two of Etude, our study of Etude. And we're going to begin part two with the same place where we stopped part one. In other words, we're going to start from this second finger, the low two on the A string. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? All right, now, if you are playing the piece through, you would play that full box and then go back to the beginning. All right? 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. But when you're playing it the second time, 2, 4, 3, 2, you skip here and go here to this first finger. Now, it's the same first finger, so that's why these 5 notes, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, so important. And here's what you need to do. When you play here, when you play that second finger, this 4 should already be pointing. All right, so that's one thing you want to work on is so you can put your second finger on the A string, your low second finger. All right, and see if you can practice relaxing and then pointing that second finger toward your nose. All right, 2, point, relax, point. Leave your 2 right in spot. Don't let it move. Point, relax, point, relax. All right, so then you want to practice going. Put your bow on the A string, point the finger, and then play. Okay? So you have your low 2, your bow's on the A, you point, then play. Now, if you don't do that, a lot of times when you start to go faster, here's what will happen. Your 4 is down here, and when you play, see, I didn't prepare it. I didn't point it ahead of time. So, see, it's already there. Okay? So that's one thing you want to work on a lot. Let's do that again. Put your low 2 on the A. Put your bow on the A. And then relax and point. Play. Okay, here we go. Try it again. 2, bow on the A, point, and play. Okay, again, here's your low 2. Put your bow, point, and. Okay, so maybe want to turn this off and just do that several more times. My teacher, and Dr. Suzuki actually used to always say 1,000 times when you're working on something like this. And so in a video, we only have time to do maybe 3. So you may want to turn this off and do the other 997. And then you can turn it back on and continue. All right. Now, in continuing, a lot of you know already, if you have my scale page that I give out, when students get to Allegretto, I usually give out a scale page where you can learn your G major. So it actually comes from my book, but it's a much slower version of it. Okay? The second half of this is a lot of scales. Okay, so I'm going to play the second half of it for you. And you are also going to go on your E string. You're going to have 3 strings here. You're going to cover the E string, the A string, and the D string in this little section when you play that little scale. All right, same thing here. All right, and then at the very end, you're going to go all the way down to the G string. All right, so there's 2-line staff here. All right, I'm going to play the second half for you, starting from our 2, 4, 3, 2, 1 place. Okay. All right. So we're going to work on this part here. All right. Playing the 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. And going on. Now this little passage here, you already know because you played Song of the Wind. It's very similar where you have your first finger in place. You remember this? You had your first finger here, and third finger, and your third finger kind of pivots around that first finger. Well, we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to go 1, 3, 1, 1, 3. So keep that first finger on the A string there. So let me start from the 2-4 again. Watch. Okay. 2, 3 on the D. 1. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. Ready? Go. 1, 3, 2, 1. Leave it there. 3 on the D. 1, 3, 2 on the E. Okay. Again, just that much. 2, reach. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay. All right. Just watch. I can show you this again from this angle. Watch what I do with the. See where the 1 is on the A, 3 on the D. See how that 1 stays there? 1, 3. All day. See, that's going to really help you to leave that finger there. So 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay. All right. So I'm going to start again from the 2-4-1. Prepare. Here we go. Ready? 2-4. Ready? Each. And 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. Okay. Again. And 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, reach. Okay. All right. Now this is part 2 lesson. This is all we're going to do though on this, because this is really a lot to work on this section and how to continue and then to get prepared for that E string second finger. Okay, so you can turn this off and work on that section, and then we will do part 3 on this, and at that point I think we'll be able to we'll have it pretty much in hand. By the way, this part here is just like the beginning. All right, and we have so many of our pieces where we have very similar passages. So if you do that, have worked a lot at the beginning, you will have that section already. Okay? All right.